Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Annette. Thank you so much for tuning in, and today I bring you this easy but beautiful and elegant earring. It has little details at the bottom, as you can see, so when they hang they just dangle, and I think that was so cute. And again, we're using leftover items that I've had from other projects, so we're just gonna need an ear wire, two head pins right here, and one eye pin. Okay, so let's get to it. Oh, I'm sorry, and you're gonna need seed beads. We're gonna use 3 for each, and then 1 that we're gonna put here on the bottom of the bead. So let's get started with this project. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab the eye pin right here, and I'm gonna put a seed bead. I hope you guys can see that. If I need to zoom in, let me check on my camera really quick. Let me do that so you guys can see a little bit better. Okay, so I just put 1 bead right there, and what's going to happen is that since this bead has such a big hole, I don't want this going through, so it just holds it right there in place, and that bead matches the blue colors that I have right here. And then on the top, I'm going to put this very like brocade bead, just like that. And then I'm going to hold it from the bottom, holding my beads at the top, and I'm just going to do a loop right here. And I see that this head pin is too long, so I am going to have to cut this a little bit. Let me get my wire cutters. Let me just cut, because I don't want it to be so long. I want it to just be exactly what I need it to be in there. So I just cut the tip of it. There we go. And this is just going to sit in there just like that. Okay. And that just holds that bead and that piece in place. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our flat head pins, and we're just going to do 3. So 1, 2, and 3 right here. And then we're just going to create a loop over here. We're not going to close it all the way through because we're going to put this in here, just like so. Okay, and then we're going to close this. Okay, and then the second thing we're going to do, so we're going to grab the other one, and we're going to do 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and they're in there right there. Do you see that? Okay, and then we're going to create another loop over here. Super simple. This earring is so simple and elegant and so beautiful that it's easy to make. It takes you but minutes. There you go. That's that part right there. And then now we're just going to connect our ear wire. And remember, front to back on this one, so we don't front to back, so we can open that space. And then I'm going to put this through here. Of course, if I can see it, I can do it. Oops. There we go. Oh my goodness, I can't see that. Oh, it would work if I open this a little bit more. So I have to open this front to back. There we go. And now I can put my head pin through it. There we go. And then I'm going to close this right here, just like that, making sure it doesn't have no openings. And there's your earring. Look at that. I'm going to put them both together here so you can see, and I'm going to zoom out again. Sorry about that. There we go. And then I'm going to put this right in here so you can see. I'm not supposed to do that, but I think it's the best way of showing you how the finished project looked, and it's just easy for me. Okay, let's put these right. There we go. There we go. I had them twisted. There you go. You see how gorgeous this looks? I love the way this bead shines. And then you don't need much because these are the accent beads right here. Does that make sense? They're just so beautiful, and when the light hits it, look at that. So when you're walking, you know, look how dangly and elegant that looks. I think that's such a cute project in less than 5 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and until next time, God bless.